This is what I take for travel. A full face of makeup here that I can do in 5 minutes. This makeup bag is my backup makeup. So more than a 5-minute makeup, I have things that I need to do to make my makeup look better for going out to dinner, maybe drinks. I travel light as far as my makeup with what's going with me. So in this makeup bag, I've got quite a few things. First, I have my eyelash curler. I have my tinted sunscreen. This is what I use as my foundation. 4 concealers. I've got a brightener, a concealer, a corrector, and then if I'm in high humidity areas, I use this concealer. I have a liquid blush and a powder brush to layer, a cream bronzer and a powder bronzer to layer, my lip treatment, and I have random brushes to make this look happen in 5 minutes. So all of this fits in my makeup bag. This has all my backup makeup. You never know what you're gonna need when you're traveling. I have a foundation that gives me more coverage, a loose powder to set my makeup, 2 more concealers. This has a little bit more color, especially if I get a little color, a backup color corrector, all about eyes here. So my eyeshadows that are very neutral, a pencil eyeliner, a liquid brown eyeliner. I have a smudging brown eyeliner for that smoky look, and then an eyebrow pencil, eyebrow powder, and a mascara. I also carry a lip liner and a lip gloss, another lip treatment for moisture, and then I have backup brushes. I've got powder setting brushes, a blush brush, another foundation brush, another foundation brush, concealing brushes, eyeshadow brushes. So lots of random brushes for a full makeup look. Everything that I need for backup is in this makeup bag. And that's my backup bag. And then I have my makeup bag that has my basic makeup in here to keep with me when I'm like on a plane, or I need a touch up, or when I get to the hotel, or when I'm leaving in the morning. So especially like if I have an early flight, this is the makeup bag I keep with me so I can just get in there and just put on a 5-minute makeup. And then when I get to the hotel or wherever my destination is, then I can do a full-on makeup. But these 2 makeup bags are the ones that really keep me going through my whole trip. This is how I traveled when I went to Asia for 3 weeks too. Let me know if you want to see what's in my toiletry bag. I'm Christine, your beauty expert. I'll see you guys in the next video.